Hi guys, how you doing? Today we're going to be talking about this gearbox. It came out of a VW Rapid mk1, mk2, I think even mk3, but this one is more of a that old version gearbox. So I'm going to be showing you how to change the release bearing. Some people think that is just a magical thing, because if you check in here, it doesn't have that release bearing. This thing goes with the clutch. So this pin right here, it goes here. This thing right here, it goes here like that. So when you step on the clutch, it pushes it. Let me see. Yeah. So when you step on the clutch, it pushes it outwards like that. So this the lever right here pushes this thing so that you can have movement on the clutch plate and the clutch on the flywheel also. So you have a cable wire that comes from this. When you step on the clutch, it pulls this thing, and then it will pull this what do you call the pressure plate and the clutch kit. So when you want to change the release bearing, is located on inside here. So what you do is that you get your screwdriver. You do need a flat this is a flat screwdriver. You pin it here like that, and then you open it like that. Sometimes it will be stiff. It will need a whole lot of you will need to be patient with it. So this is the release bearing. The release bearing is located inside here. So that thing right there is the release bearing. So normally what you do have is that there is a pin right here holding this lever, so that this lever doesn't move like that. So that pin, you just unclip it with a plier, so that it stays like that, because normally it should stay like that. It shouldn't come back like this. So let me get out that thing. So if it is all the way back there, it means that your push rod inside here, you need to push it back. So your release bearing, this is the release bearing right here. So I guess we need to push it all the way further. Let me get this thing won't fit. All right, we do have this. So we're going to push it with this thing, insert it inside here, and then push it all the way back. So when you push it, it's going to push the release bearing. Here is the release bearing. So yeah, man. Yeah, so you throw that away. No, something is wrong in here. Something is wrong in here. Well, I'm not sure if this is the what I'm talking about, but the release bearing is located in here. Just simply take it out and then take this one in. So installing it simple as AB1 ABC I mean AB1. Install it like that, push it, install it like that, push it all the way back, and then install this, and then put that clip back in, and then this will come with a new thing. Put a little bit of silicone right there, and then slam it back on. So yeah, this is the gear selector. When you are changing the, I forgot to tell you, when you are changing the release bearing, make sure that you are elevated this diff, it is downwards, like this thing is facing up, so that you don't spill oil all over, gear oil all over here. So you save gear oil, and then you also save the environment. So back to the gear selector. This is the gear selector, and then this is where your drive shaft will go on. So this is, I'm thinking maybe this is a 4, and then this is 3, I'm not sure. And then also you push it that side. So I'm not sure if it is 1, because this gearbox is a 5-speed gearbox. How to tell? I'm not sure, but there is a code. I don't know where that code is located. Maybe down here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you'll see it, but there is that code right there. So that code will tell you what kind of a gearbox this is. So this gearbox is still a original VW gearbox. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Thanks guys.